Blue Sky. Yeah.
What did come up with
The name?
Yeah.
My wife says I've always used the term blue sky when thinking about crazy things, so she said, what's a fitting name for this boat? So we've started terminating all the AC from the front room and media room has been brought into here and is now terminated on that panel and labeled. Then we have AC from the salon and pilot house. I got some live circuits up there, so I'm not doing any more work with that until the interior crew's done. We'll then activate some circuits back there for them. We have air conditioning control. One of the first inverters is up there. We'll be getting all the AC and stuff set up shortly, and actually we got DC, so hopefully we'll get DC here shortly too. The interior crew's been pretty busy. Salon's been finished probably for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks at least. All the panels, looks really good. We got all of the coffered ceilings in, and then they've gotten most of the pilot house done. So overall, it's looking pretty good. That's the bathroom or the day head for the pilot house. There's one of the walls for the room in here. And they'll come back and put this. Yeah, and you can see all the epoxy. Yeah, smells like epoxy in here. Yeah, but overall looks really good. We're getting ready to start putting the foam insulation in the front stateroom and the media room. We have back here, here's the aft wall, and then going on around, we have the port wall. All the wiring chases are closed up, so that if we ever have to reuse them, we can. We're going to do a little bit of work, foam work in the anchor locker here, so a little bit of tape up, because this wall here is not going to have too much, but we'll put it on that side. And there's those 2 areas. And then we got the bathroom here, got everything taped up and ready for foaming. There's a ductwork, vent box, and shower, and manifold, and then the actual plumbs. Coming out to the media room, we got all the wires in bags, and then coming across, got the equipment box, closed off the passageway. We'll go ahead and shoot foam in that. And then we got all of our AC lines coming down, and then going on across, we have the AC lines going forward to the outlets and then into the front stateroom. We got another control box, and then we got, again, the chase up here. Not too many wires on this side, so we'll go ahead and shoot into it, but this side is where you can get through the different sides. We got that closed off. We'll move the AC and stuff tomorrow so we can get up in here. We're waiting for the sanitation hose, so it runs. So we just blocked out kind of a path for it, and then we'll take those pieces out. It goes up there. The new hole for the sanitation hose is right down there, and then we'll be able to pull it out up there. That's what we'll start work with tomorrow. Later.